Okay, I'm going to try to demonstrate Sotol on Sotol again, and this time I'm going to use leaves, but these are thoroughly dried leaves, so hopefully this will be a better tinder bundle than what I had before. I've got the leaves right underneath the notch to catch the powder as it heats up. So I'm kind of just floating here, kind of warming up. I'm going to put some pressure to start to try to produce some powder. If I had enough powder in there, let's see, I might already have it. Let's see. The tip of this is smoking. And I've seen that quite a bit. The tip of the spindle is smoking. So I think that probably keeping the tip down in there once it gets close to forming a coal is a good idea. So I've developed some good powder in there already, so I'm going to just kind of get warmed up again and then push real hard again. Okay, so that's warmed up. Probably going to go ahead and put some more pressure down. Yeah, we got it. Okay. So I'm going to let that cold sit there for just a second. And I'm going to try to fan it into flame. There you go. Well, Sotol on Sotol.